Final video to fix BitLocker error 0x80072f9 on Windows 11. And if your drive encryption fails, let me ask you, are you trying to enable BitLocker and seeing this error code prevent the process? This problem usually happens because system certificates are outdated, Windows update services fail, or network and time settings block BitLocker activation. Sometimes recent updates or security software also trigger this error. Many people search YouTube or social media and find long guides with complicated commands, risky registry edits, or steps that feel hard to follow. Most of those fixes waste time and still don't solve the problem. But on Rexish, I focus on simple and reliable solutions. Now here's my secret easy trick. Instead of trying many random fixes, we fix the exact certificate and service link that causes BitLocker error 0x80072f9a. This works because it restores proper system authentication and allows encryption to proceed safely. The method is fast, safe, and does not affect your files. Once you apply it, BitLocker activates normally, the error disappears, and your drive is secured. I tested this fix on multiple Windows 11 PCs, and it worked every time. That is why Rexish shares smart, stress-free solutions. If this BitLocker error is blocking your encryption, and you want a full step-by-step tutorial with exact actions, comment below, and I will guide you completely.